All right, time now to say good morning to Mike Eppel to forget the latest on business news, of course, this morning. And Mike, I want to say good morning to you. You're nice and warm.
Hello.
I see the snow in the background, and hopefully you stay inside and avoid this storm that is a-coming for sure.
Well, I am fully prepared. I got my hair cut yesterday.
Oh, good.
So that's first. That's first on the checklist.
I'm sorry I didn't notice. Okay, good.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Wow.
I know. I'm sorry. I love you, Mike. I love you. Sorry. Storm Center over here.
You're totally not wrong. No, but I fired up the snowblower in preparation.
There we go. So we're ready.
And we're ready.
All
Got
right.
the jerry can filled with gasoline, ready to go.
Excellent.
And yeah, I'm not leaving. I was planning on coming to the city today. That's up.
No, that's done now. That's done.
Forget about it.
Yeah,
Forget
stay
about
there.
it. Stay in the bunker.
Yeah, there you go. In the bunker. Let's first start off with business news. We're going to begin with the U.S. Federal Reserve again announcing a rate hike. It was not surprising at all.
No, seventh interest rate hike for the U.S. Central Bank, as our Bank of Canada, of course, last week raised rates for a seventh time this year. And they're all talking about continuing to raise interest rates in 2023 because inflation is still way above their 2% target. 7% is the inflation rate in the United States. So they've got more work to do. Of course, Tammie, the issue is we haven't seen the full effects on the economy from all of these interest rate hikes. That takes time. So that's something to watch for in the early part of the new year, to start seeing the economic data if we start seeing a true economic slowdown that many are expecting in the early stages of next year. An outright recession is a possibility, and the unemployment rates are expected to start going up. Coming up today, the European Central Bank, the Bank of England, will also be raising interest rates. And of note today, we're going to hear from the Canadian banking regulator about the mortgage stress test levels. Those are expected to go up because mortgage rates have gone up so much, and that's just going to put a further dent in the Canadian real estate market, specifically for first-time buyers.
All right. Going back down south to the U.S., there is a ban on TikTok for government-owned devices. This
was an interesting move by the U.S. Senate yesterday to outright ban TikTok, the app, from U.S. government-owned devices. Some of the representatives in the Senate are saying that app is basically just a Trojan horse, their words, for the Chinese government to spy on U.S. citizens and potentially, in this case, government operatives. So is this part of something that has been talked about an outright U.S. ban for TikTok? That could be something we hear more about in 2023. What would the influencers do?
Well, I was just going to say it'll be a disaster.
That would be very interesting if, in fact, the U.S. went with a full-scale, nope, that's it for TikTok, the app in the States. Hasn't happened yet, but it could.
All right. Well, the owner of Twitter making the news again, but this time for selling stock for his other company, Tesla.
Another $3.9 billion in stocks sold by Elon Musk from Tesla. This brings his grand total to over $30 billion now, and not saying why he's selling more stock. I mean, he spent $44 billion on Twitter, and we don't know exactly what that's worth, of course, after that purchase. Maybe he's looking to reduce debt. There were some debt issues outstanding on the Twitter sale, so maybe, I don't know. The interesting thing is Tesla stock this morning, Tammie, is down to $152 US. That puts it down 55% this year.
Wow.
That is pretty significant, as Elon Musk is now has lost that title of being the world's richest individual.
All right, Mike, thank you so much for that. I know because you love tractors that your snowblower is probably just massive and can do the whole neighborhood.
It's industrial strength.
I'm sure it is. All right, Mike, thanks so much. Stay warm.
Thank you.